Hey guys, it's Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have this really bright color combo using navy, coral, pink, and orange. Using So Glad You Were Born sentiment and the butterfly from the kit of the month. Using Night of Navy, we're gonna go ahead and stamp the sentiment from I'm So Glad You Were Born, and it's just a really fun and clean happy birthday. Now we're gonna stamp the butterfly of Something New December kit of the month. Using the orange, we're gonna use the yellow first, then the pink, and then the orange, and just using the edge of the ink to ink up the stamp set. This will be an ombre 4-color effect, and I really like this because they're not all in the same color family, but it created a really fun effect. Pressing the edges of my stamp because it's bigger than my acrylic block, and you can totally do this with red rubber. Now, I have pre-cut pieces of cardstock that match my ink, and I have cut these to be the background on my card base. I'm going to trim my card base, I'm going to score it, and then I'm going to place the strips of cardstock that I have pre-cut. And because everything is to the width of the card, it's going to be really easy and fun to just go ahead and glue my strips onto the card base, alternating color patterns. Once the strips are to where you want them, you're going to go ahead and put adhesive onto the stamped butterfly and place this over the strips. This is my fun color combo for the month of May. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.